Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing / showing you my Allure beauty box for this month. I just got it in. I ordered it like a couple weeks ago, so the box came like super slow and there was like issues with shipping, so that's a little annoying. I ordered this like 3 weeks ago, so I got it pretty late than when I normally would get all my other boxes. This was the last one out of all of them that has arrived, so I'm just trying it out, seeing if I like it. Also, sorry about the backdrop. I didn't really feel like setting it up today because this video is probably going to be super quick and it's kind of a lot of work just for one short little video. So yeah, also the lighting looks weird. I got a new light, so bear with me. My life's slowly falling apart. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very skinny box. The inside is just plain. It has your Allure beauty box. Now this one costs $15 and it is a once a month subscription as well, so you get a box every month. And this is what the bag looks like. It's a nice clear bag. I really like it. I think it'd be super cute to like travel with or use for, I don't know, like any like kind of liquid stuff because it's that like plastic material. But it's super cute. Nothing too expensive, pretty cheaply made, but that's understandable. And of course you get a little book in here. So it's just the Allure beauty book, and it has little write-ups about each product you get, and some of them it does include some like promos. So nothing with Anastasia. So the Natasha Denona, if you get the Sunset palette on her website, you get 30% off, which isn't a lot, but like if you're looking to get a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, that's like a nice like little tip off. And then let's see, you have one for the Laura Geller eyeliner and also the Briogeo as well. So again, nothing too major, but I thought this was kind of cool. It also came with this little scratch off, and it has basically, I don't know, I guess it tells you or gives you a sneak peek of all the brands that are going to be in the May box. And it says the May theme is Beauty Innovations, 7 Game Changers. So I thought that was cool, something just a little different that no other box does. Straight in the box, I have already taken most of the products that came with packaging out of packaging just because, I don't know, I didn't feel like keeping it. So first things first, I'll show you, we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Pure Hollywood. I'm actually wearing it on my lips. And this is the first Anastasia lip I have ever had. And I really like it. It stayed on all day. I only reapplied it again when I came home. So this is super cool. I don't know, I thought the nude was going to be too light for me, but I actually really like it. So that's a good way to start off the box. And then next, I believe this was like the bonus. So these are Vita Liberata. This is the phenomenal Organic Tan infused cloths. So it's just like 2 towelettes that have like self tanner, and I don't know, I thought these were pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna try these when it gets closer to me like going on vacation, because there's no point of like putting on random self tanner. So then we also have, of course, a Briogeo product. This is the Farewell Frizz. This is the Rosa Cara Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So yeah, this is supposed to tame frizz and combat dryness, maintain soft, shiny hair. So this is just a small little sample size. I feel like none of the boxes that I have gotten any Briogeo product in, I have never gotten a full size. So I just keep getting samples. Okay, and then we have this Laura Geller. This is the Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and this is in shade Rose Gold. So this has like a cool little grip on it, and this is so awesome. I'll show you the shade. It's like a brown, it's basically a metallic brown, like you can kind of see. But this, when I tested them out, I'm pretty sure I tested them out yesterday or the day before, and I went to the gym, it was still on. I took a shower, it was still on. Like, this is completely waterproof. Like, even I just put it on, when I go like this, like nothing comes off. So I'm super excited to try, So I'm super excited to try this. And then, let's see, we'll go into more like eyeshadow stuff. So this is the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and this is shade Autumn Shimmer. This is what it looks like. And again, this is another thing that, one, this is so pretty. You can see it right there, how like metallic-y. I would say this is more rose gold than the other one, but wow, I really went at it with that. But this one, once it dries, it literally did not come off again. Like, even now, it's still a little tacky, but once it dries, it's waterproof. So I'm excited to, like, try this on my lid, even if it's, like, just inner corner or whatever, but it seems like a really great product. And then we have a Mata brush. This is the Triad Eye, which this is very interesting. It is, like, triangular, like, curved downwards. You can kind of see. I'm not a huge fan of this brush line. I'll give it a shot, but for some reason, like, a lot of their brushes just seem too stiff for me, and they don't really work the product well. And then, of course, the big fan of the show is this Natasha Denona eyeshadow. This is from the Sunset palette. Let's see. I don't think it has a shade, or it's Morgana. I don't know, but the packaging, like, you could already tell that this feels so expensive compared to other single eyeshadows I've gotten. But this is such a beautiful, like, orangey, bronzy color. And it, I don't know, like, just feeling this makes me want a Natasha Denona palette, which I know I would never pay that much. But that's what the shade looks like. I don't know, I think it's a really good shade for the summertime. So yeah, that's pretty cool, but that's it for the box. I would say, I don't know, nothing really amazed me. Nothing really made me too excited. And I guess because the shipping was so off and, like, locating the box, like, kind of put me in, like, a bad, I don't know, like, a bad taste. So I'm going to wait and see what the next with the May box is going to be like, and I'll decide then if I want to keep it or not. I'm just trying out, like, a bunch of different boxes and seeing, like, what works best for me, what works best, like, on my channel. So I'll wait and see. But yeah, that's really it for today's video. I know it's going to be super short, but I just wanted to show you guys the Allure Beauty box and show you what I got and how I feel about it. I'm definitely going to use a lot of these products, but unlike my BoxyCharm that I got this month, I haven't really used any of them yet. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, we'll wait and see what happens with the May box. Yeah, if you guys got the Allure Beauty box this month, don't be afraid to comment and tell me what you got. I'll also put a link below in case you are interested in learning more about the box. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Sorry if it's a little short, but thank you guys again. Have a great rest of your day.